Hello students, in this video we will be discussing Cbse class 9 Maths NCERT Maths textbook chapter 1 number system, and this is the 12th part of the video. We are going to discuss exercise 1.2, the third question in this video. So let's look into the question, what it talks about. Locate root 5 on the number line. Already we've seen similar things for root 2 and root 3. So for the detailed video, you can get back to those videos where you have example 3 and 4. But still, I'll just do a quick recap for these two, so that it will be easy for you to solve root 5. Okay, so this is how you did for root 2. So for root 2, what did we do is, so I need root 2. Okay, so by using the right angle, that is by using Pythagoras theorem, we are going to need root 2. So if I need root 2, how will I get? I'll get it by 1 plus 1. So 1 square plus 1 square under the root will give me square root of 1 plus 1, which will be square root of 2. So thus we were able to draw 1 unit here, 1 unit here, and then we got root 2. And having O as the center and OB as radius, we drew an arc intersecting this number line at P. So we got this OP to be root 2. So OP was equal to OB. So this is how we were able to do for root 2. Then we had to do for root 3 also. Okay. So for root 3, what did we do? For root 3, we were able to draw a line, that is a line representing a number line. So we drew a square O, A, B, C. So our diagonal was OB, and we already found that this is going to be root 2. So if I want root 3, so for 3 will be what? 2 plus 1. So if I need 2, I have to take square root of 2 square plus 1 square. So what did we do is, for this root 2, when we drew this, we got this OP to be root 2. Now for locating root 3, what did we do? You need square root of 2 plus 1. So we drew another line. Okay, so this is BD, so which was 1 unit again. Okay, so then we joined OD, so where we got OD to be root 3. OD to be root 3. So this is how we got the number line root 3, and then we had O as the center, OD as radius. We were able to draw an arc going to intersect the number line at Q. So your OD is equal to OQ, which was root 3. Got it, children? So this is what we saw. Now if I need to do for root 4, root 4, so what it will be? So for root 4 it will be what? Square root of, if I want to say, I can take it as 3 plus 1. So what will be square root of 3 plus 1? It will be square root of 3 the whole square plus 1 square. Already we have square root of 3. So what we can do is, we can very easily draw another perpendicular like 1 unit here, and then you can join, which will be what? Root 4. So if you want to draw for root 5, again for root 5 it will be what? Root 4 the whole square plus 1 square. So again with this root 4 line, again you can draw for 1 unit, and then this will be your root 5. But drawing like this will be little tedious if we just keep checking for this ones alone. But we can say that we can write 5 to be what? 4 plus 1. We can write 5 to be 4 plus 1. So what is 4? 4 is what? 2 square. So 2 square plus 1 square. So root 5 can be written as what? 2 square plus 1 square. So in that case, it will be very easy for us to draw. Instead of drawing all these things as we did for the first thing for root 2, we can just draw from O, you can mark it to be 2, and then you can plot another 1 here, and then drawing this, you will be able to get this to be your root 5 line. Okay, that is what we are going to do with. So now let me let me show it in detail so that it will be easy for you. So to locate root 5, what are we doing as we discussed now? So 5 you can write it as 4 plus 1. Okay, so for 4 you know that it is going to be 2 square plus 1 square. So 5 will be what? Square root of 2 square plus 1 square. So we are going to have a number line and we are going to mark a value from here. So let me take this to be 2 units from here. So now by drawing here, so this is point O. So let me take this to be point A. Okay, and this to be point B. So this is 2 unit and this is going to be 1 unit. So this will give me what? 5 units here. Okay, so this will be what? Root 5. So this will be what? Root 5 units. Is it clear, children? So for root 5, now what should we do? With O as center and OB as radius, you are going to draw an arc wherein it will cut the number line at P. So where you will get OP is equal to OB is equal to square root of 5. Is it clear, children? Yes. So it's going to be very easy to draw this. So you need to be little careful. So what you're going to do is, so with O as center and OB as radius, you're going to draw an arc. So whatever number you are given, you can draw it very easily like this. Similarly, if you want to draw for root 17, so what will it be? 16 plus 1. What is 16? 4 square plus 1 square. So instead of 2, what you will do is you will draw till 4 and then 1 and then you bring it down. You will get the value for root 17 also. It is going to be very easy, children. Just you will have to find out the nearest the perfect square roots and then it will be easy for you. Okay, so with this we are completing with exercise 1.2. So see you again with another concept in the next video. Hope you understood these concepts, children. If you have any doubt in all these, please get back to these videos and try to listen to it once again so that you are able to understand it better. Thank you, children.